Hi guys, this is
Basod.
this is Lance Reyes. Sorry for the name because this is my aunt's channel. It's Barley.
And this is our
our today battle will be a basalt horror game with my customized Earth Virgo.
And
Okay,
he's my
let's do this.
cousin. Hi. What's that card? Come on, give me that. This is yours.
I will launch Earth Virgo first, and then alternate. Whoever wins the round, okay? They'll still be turned round.
Nobody will beat that out.
3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it Start for our stadium, guys.
This is our stadium. We always battle here and we train here. And we have a coach.
That's my cousin.
We have a coach, my dad. Sorry for our stadium.
Oh, looks like round 1 goes to Basalt Rogium. Okay, round 1. Okay, I will be launching Basalt Rogium first. Sorry for my cousin. She's such a naughty girl. See? Told you. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Okay, looks like round 2 goes to Earth Virgo. What a nice comeback.
Comeback.
Look, please stop it. Ugh. For heaven's sake. Get off.
Loser.
Next ka sa video yun. Maraming views.
Saan pa rin yung Hindi kita. Diyan sa... Sabi wag kayo dito. Kikain. Ay. Mas naman nakita.
Okay, round 3 goes to Earth Virgo. This first
Round of
round
applause. Who win the battle is the newest champion.
Please stop talking.
Why are you talking?
Get your gun off.
Galit ko yung signal ha. Kaya sa signal guys.
What ko?
Piki.
Oh, looks like Basalt Rogium to trouble. I mean Earth Virgo.
Oh. Ganda natin yung design para mas maganda. Bakit ang stadium natin?
Tara muna ba sa akin? Sabi na Kuya Andre, pwede. Ang dami na kampus. Oh, looks like Basalt Rogium to trouble here. Okay. Earth Virgo wins round 3, so that means he wins the whole round. Bago kong video.
Video?
Video.
May video kayo? Kayo yan?
Okay, so thanks for watching. Wait, comment, subscribe! Mga kang video ni Ash.
Hindi na yun? Ba't hindi naman record?
Tapos na, kita, dati mo lang, tapos